want to talk about one of the most persistent challenges facing product development teams: scaling product knowledge. As teams grow from 5 to 50 to 500 people, how do you keep everyone on the same page? How do you ensure that critical insights aren't lost between handoffs? The stats are sobering. Research shows product development teams spend 20 to 30% of their time on documentation rather than innovation. And 46% of product dev delays stem directly from inaccessible knowledge. But there's good news. The organizations that solve this knowledge scaling challenge gain tremendous competitive advantage. Research from McKinsey shows companies with strong knowledge management capabilities are 5 times more likely to be high performing and significantly faster to market. Before we tackle the scaling challenge, let's clarify what we mean by product knowledge. Product knowledge encompasses everything about a product that explains its value and its purpose. It's the collective intelligence that drives innovation decisions, customer engagement, and market positioning. Think of your elevator pitch for a new product concept. You probably begin by painting a picture of a common problem for your ideal customer, and then you explain how the product solves the problem. That pitch draws on product knowledge. It reflects your understanding of the customer's pain points and how your solution addresses them. But product knowledge goes far deeper than the elevator pitch. It encompasses customer insights, user research, tech specs and design rationales, market positioning and competitive intelligence, regulatory and compliance requirements, manufacturing and production requirements, historical decisions, and lessons learned along the way. Good product knowledge enables teams to make informed decisions. It helps them engage customers effectively and carve out a distinctive position in the marketplace. Why is product knowledge so important? Well, there are several key reasons. First, product knowledge is crucial during development. It keeps cross-functional teams tightly connected and on the same page throughout the entire lifecycle. If engineering uncovers technical limitations during development, then product leaders need to assess that information immediately in order to determine changes to the market requirements. Correct understanding of the product helps sales teams build brand authority. Teams who thoroughly understand their products can speak with clarity and conviction, which directly impacts conversions and sales. Knowledge of product claims and tech differentiators and competitive positioning drive go-to-market teams to have a strategic advantage in the marketplace.